always messing something up.
Messing something up?
Yeah.
This is new, motherfucker.
Exactly. Messing stuff up.
I'm always fixing shit up.
Sure.
I got a wheel alignment. I got
Sure.
balancing. I got
sure.
my rim fixed. This rim was bent. Remember the tire got messed up? They straightened my rim out.
You hitting your alarm? There we go, baby.
Oh, I saw your cousin
Ooh.
with the Regal.
Scenic.
Huh?
Scenic.
No, with the Regal, nigga.
No, he has a Mustang.
The Buick.
Yes.
Yeah, he got a Regal too.
For real? Nah, he must have just
The
got
blue Regal.
He has a Mustang.
And the blue Regal, you forgot about it?
Oh.
With the chrome IROC rims.
Yeah.
I saw him at the Lexus dealership in Queens. I was inspecting the car and he was picking up somebody's car.
Oh, in the flatbed.
Yeah.
He doesn't have that car anymore, son.
Yes. I know he didn't sell it.
Yeah, he has the Mustang now.
Why the fuck? What's wrong with motherfuckers?
He has that in his daily car.
Why don't they just...
Just like Teaneck. Teaneck has a RX-7 now. An 84 RX-7. And he has his daily car as well.
Why motherfuckers don't
They
just...
go through cars. They don't keep them. Each one of them been through more than 50, 60, 70 cars.
I'm gonna collect and
They have
keep-
cars, bro.
I don't like those. I hate these round ones.
They're all up in there.
Just joking.
Where your wings at, bird?
That's my antifreeze. Where the fuck is the antifreeze coming from?
You spilled it.
Ain't nobody spill no antifreeze. Damn,
They all fiends.
he acting mad weird. I don't like him for some reason. The fuck is that? A bone? A rat?
The rat's leaving bones in there, baby.
I wonder if it was down from down there. I don't like that. The AC Delco. Because the nigga,
Can't be saying that.
the other dude that he be making videos, Mike LS, he's in my car group. Hold on. Yeah. He's in my car group.
Yeah.
My family raped my pockets.
Damn, what car, man? You got a van.
I had an old radio, and I just put the new one with the Apple CarPlay. I love it. But it took me like a whole day to realize that one plug is supposed to plug into the next plug. It took me a day to realize that shit. And then yesterday, I
It
was
was
like,
an
what does this
adapter?
do? Nah, it was like one of these. I was like, what does this do? And
Well, not changing shit. So.
this messy stuff up.